evening, friends. Thank you for joining me again in this powerful guided healing meditation. Collectively, when we meditate by connecting to our inner self and also by connecting to the source of all healing, we create ripples of strength, increased immunity, and spread healing vibrations in us and also in the entire humanity, especially at this needed time to face and finish this virus. We all are following social distancing that has just been extended by May 30th. Staying indoors will help us protect from this virus, but it's not going to help us escape from the emotional effects of this pandemic. With all the heavy information being poured on us 24/7, we must do much more to negate the effects of virus than just staying indoors. As I promised to you, I'm going to share with you 3 powerful steps today that will help us to rise above this critical time that we all are going through. So take a moment and let's think about all the things that internet and social media has been teaching us in these days to protect us from virus. Every day, health experts and TV channels are putting lot of effort into showing us ways to help escape from this coronavirus. But let me share one thing with you. Very little information is being shared about how we can protect ourselves from the dangerous effects, the dangerous emotional effects of this pandemic today. And that's because we human beings tend to do things that we can see with our naked eyes. So today we are seeing lot of people catching virus, being hospitalized and dying. So out of that fear, we are following all the physical precautions that we are learning, like washing hands, staying indoors, wearing masks. But now I am going to share with you my first step. So please listen very carefully. What we are not able to see with our naked eyes, we don't do anything about it. What we cannot see, like fear, like stress, like anxiety, like emotional pain, we cannot see it from our naked eyes. So we tend to keep postponing it or not do anything about it. I want you all to take a moment and review all the precautions that you have taken against this virus in last 1 week or 1 month. find that you did extremely well when it came to physical precautions. You checked it to the T. Staying indoors, wearing masks, keeping your social distance, great. Now take a moment and ask yourself, what did you do to protect or to heal yourself from the emotional outcomes of this pandemic? Just be very honest with your own self. And I'm sure you'll find out that nothing or very little was done. Mind you, what pain is to body, emotion is to mind. What pain is to body, emotion is to mind. So just like you take all the outer solutions for outer problems, make sure from today on, seek inward solutions for inward problems. And just imagine if everything that's happening in the outside world today starts to happen inside you, we will never be able to live with peace, happiness, and stability. The second step that I want to share with you is this. No one knows how this COVID-19 is going to resolve. How it's going to resolve. No one knows. So in the midst of all the unpredictabilities caused by this virus, I want you to do only one thing today. Make this predictable for you. Make yourself predictable. And when you make yourself predictable, meaning your feelings, your emotions, your thoughts, always predictable, supporting you with whatever you want to accomplish, your life is going to be in your control. Yes, the outside world is messy today. But that messy world doesn't have to come inside you to disturb your beautiful kingdom. So when we take a pause, when we take little time for our own self, and we fill ourselves through these practices of meditation, yoga, breathing exercises, we fill ourselves with clarity, wisdom, and healing. And with this clarity, with this wisdom, we resolve the outside situations, we become victorious. And let me share with you the third thing. When we use this time that virus has given us effectively to increase our awareness, to increase our alertness, then one day when virus will leave us, this higher awareness, higher consciousness, this higher alertness will become permanent part of your personality. And then with that kind of awareness, you will always be ready. You will always be prepared to deal with the unpredictabilities of life forever. So, in conclusion, what I just want to say to you is that we all are doing a great job taking care of all our physical precautions to escape from this deadly virus. But the time has come where we must invest into these higher practices to rise in our consciousness. Because when we do that, let me tell you that lower part of us, lower energy starts to exit out of our body, our mind, leaving us with strong upward stream of continuous energy, giving us strength and power to deal with anything and everything that comes in front of you, that unfolds in front of you. So let's gain this power, let's gain this awareness and alertness through this powerful guided healing meditation. Sit straight, spine straight yet relaxed. Have a beautiful smile on your face. Find yourself a quieter place for next 15 minutes where you cannot be disturbed. Spine straight, drop your shoulders from your ears and have a beautiful smile on your face. It's okay to sit on chair or sit down, whatever is comfortable, but make sure that you are connected to your inner self. And now take a nice long deep breath. Hold and gently release it. And now slowly close your eyes. Bringing your focus to your breathing. Just let go everything that's outside of you in this world and connect with your inner self. Connect to the source of all existence, all healing. Allow your ego to move out so that you can be in touch with your true nature, your spirit. Keep breathing, nice, long, deep, gentle inhales and nice, long, deep exhales. You carry the power of entire universe within you. And when you close your eyes to the outer world, you start to experience that power. Quieten your mind by listening to this guided meditation. Keep breathing. Nice, long, deep inhales and exhales. Every inhale is bringing you closer to your original nature of peace, joy, power, purity, and wisdom. The moment you close your eyes, all the pains of this world moves away from you and you gain that inner connection, inner power instantly. Quieten your inner dialogue, your inner communication at this point, and you'll see that higher powers will start to whisper in your thoughts through the silence. At this point, let's go ahead and take 3 deep breaths. Every inhale with the count of 4, pause for the count of 2 and exhale through your nostrils by count of 4. So let's begin. Take a nice long deep inhale. Hold and release. Nice long deep inhale again. Hold and release. One more time. Nice long deep inhale. Hold and release. You'll find every conscious breath that you are taking is moving you to a more safer, more protective, more closer space inside you, where you find that you are protected all the times, every minute. Feel that what you know and what you are about to discover through this practice, just witness that. You have begun beautiful work. Feel the presence of divinity in you. Feel your individuality merging in this divinity, giving you oceanic power to heal yourself. This 5,000-year-old science of meditation already been proven. Now we just need to experience the benefits of it. Even if you don't know how to meditate, just by closing your eyes and connecting to your inner self will bring amazing healing power in you as you deepen your practice. Now bring your mind, your attention to your heart chakra, a place of profound beauty, a place of unfoldment, a place of subtler, softer, gentler feelings. Just be there. Feel the sensations of your heart. Let go anything and everything. Be grateful at this point. And now feel a white light pulsating in your heart, divine light, throbbing in your heart. With every throb, this light is healing you. This light is filling you with healing power. This light is filling you with inner strength, inner courage, inner purity, and the divine love, divine light where all these stresses and pains will start to melt away. It is very powerful. Feel the silence of your mind. Keep smiling. Be open to receive. Together we are going to chant Om, the highest mantra. Om is the mantra of Sahasrara Chakra, the highest chakra, the golden chakra sitting in your Brahmarandha. As if thousands of petals are about to unfold to bring healing, love, peace, light in you. As you chant these powerful mantras of Om, allow the sound of Om resonate with your every cell, every organ, every breath. Take a deep breath. Allow this sound of Om pulsate in every part of your body, in every system. Take a deep breath again. Last time. Feel the vibration of this powerful Om pulsating out of your heart to every part of your body, giving you highest level of alertness, awareness, and infinite healing. And now allow the vibrations of healing to flow from your heart to every part of your body, and then to everyone around you, in your homes, to your family, and to the entire humanity. You have just acquired a remarkable ability to increase your blood flow in every part of your body, giving you health, healing, peace. Say to yourself, God's power is healing me. I am radiating God's love. God's power is healing my mind. God's power is healing my every cell of my body. I have no worries. Now that I'm connected to the oceanic power, the source of all existence, the source of all knowing, the source of all healing, I feel so empowered. When I'm connected to this higher power, I can never feel low. God for giving me this wonderful gift of mind, body and breath. Through power of breath, I connect with my inner self, my inner Atman, my inner powerful spirit and the supreme consciousness. It is only when I am not connected with my inner, I am visited by pain and miseries. Your love for me is unparalleled, God. Your love for me is unconditional. Thank you, God, for accepting me the way I am and transforming me with your divine light. Slowly come back to your body consciousness. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti Om. By keeping your eyes closed, rub your palms, keep rubbing your palms. Feel the healing energy. Feel the warmth in your palms. Keep rubbing them and keep smiling. You're about to do self-Reiki on yourself. Keep rubbing your palms. As you feel the warmth in your palms, slowly take your palms and place them on your eyes. This is the time to witness that you have gained slightly more calmness in your mind to bring the balance that is needed to face and finish this virus. Slowly take your palms and place them on your head. May I always think positive. May I only think right. Because when I think right, then right things will happen with me. Slowly take your healing palms and just rub it all over your body. Rub it all over your body. Especially the areas that need healing. And slowly come back to prayerful hands. And now softly start opening up your eyes and open up your palms and say, yes, I can. Yes, I can surf through this critical time with abundance of peace, determination, and strength in me. And then just bow down to the divine to thank him for giving us this intelligence to connect with this oceanic power today and heal ourselves and heal the world. This concludes our today's powerful healing meditation. May this healing be showered in you, in your homes, in your loved ones, and to everyone around you. Thank you so much for becoming the angels of transformation in this needed time. And I will request you to use this guided meditation every single day by scheduling few minutes of appointment with your own self towards your own individual healing journey. And we will meet again next Monday, 7:30 for another powerful guided chakra meditation next time. Namaste.